Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing the 5 best cheap drones for photography handpicked through research and testing to meet different needs. Whether you're looking for budget-friendly options, top performance, or unique features, I've categorized them to match various preferences. Check the description for the latest prices and details. Be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. Number 1. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Take your creativity to new heights with the DJI Mini 3 Pro, a lightweight, foldable drone weighing under 249 g. No registration required in most regions. Designed for adventurers, its compact build makes it easy to carry anywhere. FAA Remote ID compliant. You can fly with confidence while meeting regulations. Capture stunning vertical shots with true vertical shooting, perfect for social media, thanks to a redesigned 90 degrees rotating gimbal. With up to 34 minutes of flight time, extendable to 47 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus. Number 2. Holy Stone HS720E. The Holy Stone HS720E is a FAA-compliant drone with a 4K camera, designed to take your aerial adventures to new heights. With its electric image stabilization EIS and Sony sensor, it ensures crystal-clear videos and sharp photos free from blurring, making it an excellent choice for creators. Seamless outdoor flights are guaranteed with integrated air optical flow and altitude control, while GPS location and auto return to home provide peace of mind. The Fly More kit offers up to 46 minutes of flight time with 2 intelligent batteries, allowing longer flights without frequent recharging. The user-friendly controls include innovative modes like Follow Me and Tap Fly, making it easy to capture stunning footage. Powered by brushless motors, it ensures a quiet, stable flight and long-lasting performance, perfect for both beginners and experienced pilots. Number 3. Auto Robotics Evio Nano. Introducing the Auto Nano Plus, the latest pocket-sized drone for 2025, offering top-tier capabilities in a lightweight and foldable design. Weighing just 249 g, it's portable enough to carry anywhere, and its compact form allows for easy storage in your backpack. This drone boasts a 1/1.28-inch camera sensor capable of capturing stunning 48MP photos and 4K video with HDR. Thanks to its RYYB color filter design, the Nano Plus excels in low-light conditions, making it ideal for breathtaking shots at any time of day. Flies safely with 3-way obstacle avoidance featuring 6 vision sensors for 3D obstacle detection and an ultrasonic sensor for precise hovering. Plus, the 90 degrees adjustable camera ensures ultra-sharp imagery with 16x digital zoom. The HDR mode and dual autofocus system guarantee you'll capture all the detail, whether in bright sunlight or shadows. With a 28-minute flight time, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, and a premium bundle, including everything you need, the Auto Nano Plus is your perfect travel companion. Number 4. DJI Air 2S. The DJI Air 2S takes aerial photography to the next level with its 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels, allowing you to shoot 5.4K per 30 frames per second and 4K per 60 frames per second videos with incredible detail and clarity. It captures up to 1 billion colors with its 10-bit log-M color profile, ensuring vibrant footage with every shot. With Master Shots, a new feature in DJI's Quick Shots, you can create professional-looking videos with just a tap, no matter where you are. The Focus Track System. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro sets a new standard for drone photography with its Hasselblad main camera. Featuring a 4/3 CMOS sensor and a 20MP resolution, this powerhouse camera offers raw photo shooting with a dynamic range of up to 12.8 stops, delivering stunning professional-grade images. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or intricate details, the camera's f/2.8 f/11 aperture and 24mm format equivalent lens ensure incredible clarity. For safety and stability, the Mavic 3 Pro is equipped with omnidirectional optical sensing and APS 5.0, utilizing 8 vision sensors and a vision computing engine to prevent collisions, even in complex environments. Enjoy up to 43 minutes of flight time, giving you ample opportunity to explore and create. With DJI O3 Plus transmission, the drone offers a 15 kilometers range, ensuring reliable signal strength for clear, uninterrupted footage. Additionally, the DJI RC controller provides a comfortable grip and 700 nit brightness, perfect for bright outdoor environments. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.